this architecture together. The old system was not only inefficient, but its opacity created opportunities for people to profit from its weaknesses. We had claims for procedures that never happened, fictitious patients who did not exist, inflated bills, and many more. We even encountered the absurdity of claims for the amputation of patients' legs several times, as though the same leg might have somehow grown. That was not healthcare, it was theft, and it was theft from sick people. That is why the Digital Health Act is so important. And you must have seen a huge campaign that was undertaken against the digitization of health. In fact, many headlines were written, sponsored by those who benefited from these schemes as to how expensive it was, how unworkable it was, and how it was assigned to some people and that kind of thing. Digitization is not simply about replacing paper with screens. It is about making every patient visible, every treatment traceable, and every payment accountable. Let me repeat. Digitization is not simply about replacing paper with screens. It is about making every patient visible, every treatment traceable, and every payment accountable. That is what it does. And as I have said